Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. It's your boy here, Kirk. Today we are going to remove and replace the wear evaporator core and the receiver gyre on this 2008 Toyota Estima. Guys, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you will be notified every time we drop a new video. First thing we're going to do is remove the quarter panel interior on the driver's side. Interior removed. So now we have full access to the evaporator core. So we're just going to pull the bolt that hold on the housing and the panel. We are also removing the high side and the low side pipes, also the heater hoses. Evaporator core removed, and that's the low side and the high side pipe. So guys, I'm going to show you the old core that we removed. This is the housing and this is the old core. You can see the aisle on it. So we also going to show you the new core as well. So guys, this is a brand new core that we're going to install. So we put the new core in the housing and tighten the expansion valve on it, ready to fit on the top. Guys, the wear core always smaller than the front evaporator core. It's a dual unit. It uses two core, one for the front, one for the back. Evaporator core ready to install. So guys, we install back the core in the vehicle. So we're just going to pressurize the system before we finish fit up back. The system under pressure, and we are testing the system for leak with the soap water method. As you see guys, we finished fit up inside. So we are just going to clean up our mess. Also connecting back the audio system. Time now to remove the receiver dryer. So guys, we removed the condenser and we're going to show you the receiver dryer shortly. So this is the receiver dryer, and also this is the new receiver dryer that we're going to install in the condenser. Condenser installing in the vehicle. So guys, we finished regas the system, and I'm just going to check inside. AC blowing cold, Another successful job from Kirk Schooler Auto. Let's check around on the dual unit. AC blowing nice. So that's it, guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe.